Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to put two pictures side by side within your Canva design. This is a very useful layout, especially for Shopify store owners who want to compare products, show before and after images, or display multiple product angles in a clean and professional way. So we're going to head over to canva.com, sign in for an account. As you can see, we're going to be on the admin dashboard where all of your designs are organized. Now, I'm going to create a custom size design. So we're going to have something like that, and we're going to have it as a page. This step is helpful if you're designing for a specific use case, like a product banner, homepage section, or social media post. Now, the most important part here, to make the side-by-side picture look alike, or they are not going to have a difference in size, is to head over the elements and add a frame from here. Frames are important because they keep both images aligned and consistent. So we are going to type in the name frame, and we are going to find all the frames right there, including different shapes and layouts you can use depending on your design style. So I'm going to select one of the frames, for example, like this one, and we are going to place it for the first, let's say, placement. So I would like to have it just like this, but I'm going to put a little space at the middle here. Leaving a small gap between the images often makes the design look cleaner and easier to read, especially on mobile screens. Now, what I have did here is to add a frame, regulate the size of it as much as I want. For example, you can go ahead and make it longer like this, and this is sufficient, I think. Adjusting the size at this stage helps ensure both images have the same visual weight and don't look unbalanced. Now, I click on the frame and I click on this button, Duplicate. So we are going to make it even. This is a quick way to ensure both frames are identical. So I make sure that I have added it right where it is about to be, so nearly they are going to be the same from the size. It is going to be the same, 100% accuracy, the sides, as you can see. A distance, maybe it is going to be good, maybe not, I don't know, but you can always fine-tune the spacing to match your brand style. Now we're going to insert our picture. So I'm going to insert this picture. I will take this picture, move it until we are going to find it within the frame. Canva automatically fits the image inside the frame, which saves time. Now I'm going to add the other picture here, and here we have made our image side by side just right there. This layout works great for product comparisons, featured collections, or promotional visuals. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, found it helpful for your Canva and Shopify designs, and hope to see you soon on the next one.